This video will demonstrate how to bulk add thousands of products to TikTok Shop within 1 minute. There are 3 different methods: add products in bulk via template from the TikTok dashboard, sync products from Amazon and Shopify to TikTok, script products from CG Dropshipping, Amazon, Shein, Temu, eBay, and Walmart to TikTok. Go to Manage Products. Find the bulk listing under the bulk action. You only need to select the category that best matches your products first, select brands, and then download the template. After you fill in the template with more than 1,000 products, upload it here to import products. If you have Amazon and Shopify store, I will recommend you a more convenient method that you can synchronize listings from Amazon and Shopify to TikTok with just one click. Find the same products from other platforms under the bulk action. Search for seller here. Click install. Fill in your contact email and phone number. Go to confirm to install. After you check all the authorization condition, click authorize. In this way, you have already connected your TikTok with for seller. Now you need first follow the instruction to connect your Amazon or Shopify store with for seller and start syncing listings to TikTok. Check the blank grid beside the image. You could check all the listings in your store with one click. Go to the import shops in the action list. Select the TikTok shop you want to add listings in bulk. Simply click import. Even you have one or more than 1,000 products, all of them will be synced to TikTok store in bulk automatically. If you are CG Dropshipping, Amazon, Shein, Walmart, eBay, and Temu dropshipping seller, you could use for seller product scraper tool to assist you in adding products to TikTok shop. First, search for seller product scraper in the Chrome Web Store and click Add to Chrome. Open any product details page on Amazon. After clicking Scrape to TikTok, select the targeted TikTok shop. There are 2 choices. You could save as draft first, edit later within for seller draft column, or edit listing information first, then scrape. Take this one as an example. After clicking, this icon will jump to the scraping state. Waiting for a few seconds, you will enter the TikTok draft page and adjust it. After clicking Save and Publish, for seller will upload the listing to the TikTok platforms and the prompt will appear indicating that the publication is successful. Shein, Walmart, eBay, Temu products all could be scraped as the steps mentioned above. If you want to scrape CG Dropshipping products, you'll need to copy the link of the detail page and put it in the TikTok draft. Paste it and then confirm. All the data will be synced here. Upload it by clicking Save and Publish. That concludes our introduction how to add thousands of products to TikTok shop in bulk within 1 minute via 3 methods. There are more details and examples available within For Seller Online Help Center. Don't forget to like and follow our channel. That's to get more useful e-commerce experience sharing. If you're interested in For Seller and think it is useful to you, then please leave yes in the comment area. This is Jolene. See you in the next video.